Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change date and time on MacBook Air M4. First, open the Apple menu in the top left corner of the screen and go to System Settings here. In System Settings, select General, and in General menu you're gonna have to scroll down to Date and Time menu, open it, then unhit this switch this toggle to the left, and if this option is locked by a password, then provide your your MacBook password here and press enter, then select set, and now either by selecting a value from the calendar or by changing it manually from the keyboard, you can set the date value here. And in the same way, you can change the hour on your computer. And once you're done, select set. However, I recommend setting time and date automatically, because by changing date and time to incorrect ones, you're gonna make many online services, like for example Google, unavailable because they require date and time to be correct for your time zone. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.